Hi guys, my name is Nia. Today I would like to tell you about how to make a fluffy cake. First, heat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Gather your ingredients, then sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt. See aside. Prepare the pans. Rub the bottom and sides of the cake pans with a little butter. Shortening or baking spray. Make sure to get into the corners and all the way up the sides. Flour the sides and bottom of the pan by scooping a bit of the flour into the pan. Then shaking and topping to coat the bottom and sides of the pans with flour. Dump out the excess. Alternatively, cut a parchment round and use this to line the bottom. Beat the butter and sugar until fluffy and light. Beat the butter and sugar until fluffy and light. Cream together for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium spread. Add the eggs one at a time. Beat until batter is very smooth and creamy looking. Adding the eggs one at a time gives them a better chance at incorporating into smooth batter. Be sure that they are room temperature so that the batter does not appear curdled. Beat until the batter is very smooth and creamy looking. Beat in half the flour, salt, and baking powder. Add this ingredient, with the mixture running at low speed. Continue to mix until incorporated. Beat in the milk and vanilla, alternate adding in the liquid with dry ingredient so that the milk has chance to be absorbed without needing to overmix the batter. Stream in the milk with the mixture on low until combined. Beat in the remaining flour mixture until just combined and no more visible flour remains. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Stir a few times with a spatula to make sure no more flour remaining on the bottom of the bowl. Divide the batter between cake pans. Use a scale or mechanical ice cream scoop to evenly divide the batter. Smooth the tops with an offset spatula. Drop the pans against the counter to shake out air bubbles. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. When done, the cake should be puffed like a pillow golden and pull away from the side of the pan. A toothpick insert into a center of the cake should come out clean when done. When done, the cake should be puffed like a pillow golden and pull away from the side of the pan. A toothpick inserted into the center of the cake should come out clean when done. cool for 15 minutes in the pan. Run an offset spatula round the cake to make sure it's completely loosened from the side of the pan. Flip the rounds of the pan. Remove the parchment lining. Flip right side up to cool completely. Once cool, frost and assemble the cake with the buttercream. The baked cake rounds can be wrapped in the plastic and kept frozen for up to 3 months. I hope you guys enjoy this video and you can make a perfect fluffy cake. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.